Hey guys, if you have a Ford Mustang, it could be any generation, and the car does not start. No, it doesn't start. And you want to see how to jump start it. Okay, practically guys, without having another vehicle, you can do it yourself in just a few seconds. With the ease of that, we made a special video guys, how to jump start a Ford Mustang. Check it out, it will be on our YouTube channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. We have more than 9,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future car repairs.